Start by gathering a complete set of durable packing supplies so you do not face last-minute runs and your belongings stay protected during the move. Begin with sturdy boxes in various sizes and prioritize double-walled boxes for heavy items like books and small appliances. Use larger, single-walled boxes for linens and pillows, but do not overfill them or they will burst. Keep a dedicated roll of high-quality packing tape and use the H-taping method on the bottoms and tops of every box for strength. Wrap fragile items in bubble wrap with at least 2 layers for plates and glassware, and nest smaller items inside larger ones with packing paper as void fill to prevent shifting. Use moving blankets or thick quilts for furniture protection and secure them with stretch, wrap, or tape that will not leave residue. Protect mattresses with full mattress covers and tape closures or straps to avoid dirt and moisture during transit. Label each box clearly with the room destination and a brief contents list, and mark fragile boxes on multiple sides so handlers see the warning from any angle. Common mistakes start with using the wrong boxes, like thin single-walled boxes for heavy books or glass, which leads to collapse. Choose double-walled boxes for weighty loads or pack heavy items in small boxes to keep lifting safe. Another issue is insufficient cushioning, which causes breakage. Always fill empty space with wadded packing paper, towels, or bubble wrap to immobilize items and test by gently shaking the box before sealing. A third frequent problem is poor labeling that slows unpacking and risks misplacement. Write the room and a 3 or 4 word contents description on the top and 2 sides of each box, and add a bright colored sticker per room for quick visual sorting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions about moving and supplies. We help contractors find job leads and homeowners find people to help with packing, hauling, and other moving tasks.